Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dilshad and today we will discuss another topic of B.Ed English Pedagogy, and that is Communicative Language Teaching. It is also known as CLT. In this video we will get the meaning of Communicative Language Teaching and we will discuss activities and merits and demerits of CLT. So without any delay, let's start with the first point, and that is what is CLT. So basically it is the latest technique to teach English language. It is also known as communicative approach. Here role of teacher is facilitator, not instructor. In CLT, learners get knowledge of grammar as well as they get the knowledge of social skills as what to say and how to satisfy his daily needs. Here goal is to communicate in target language. Here target language is English. Students are given certain tasks like make phone call, greet others, introduce yourself, draw someone's attention and entertain others. All these tasks are very much important to improve social skills of learner. Communicative language teaching develops accuracy and fluency of students. It believes that language is meant for communication, so it gives more focus on oral skills. Let's move to next point, and that is activities of communicative language teaching. Role play, interview, group work, pair work, drama, share views and opinions. By all these activities, students can improve their English skill as well as their confidence level. Next point is merits of CLT. Here, students can easily share their ideas and feelings, and this method is student oriented. This method more focuses on students. CLT focuses on all the four skills, which are LSRW, means listening, speaking, reading and writing. It is based on practical utility. CLT more focuses on understanding rather than memorization. Here mother tongue can be used if necessary. To motivate student is the main job of teacher. Here learner is able to speak fluently. So these are the merits of CLT. Let's discuss its demerits. It more focuses on speaking skills, so sometimes it ignores grammar. And due to lack of trained teacher, CLT is not that much useful in our classrooms. It doesn't pay attention or error correction. So these are the demerits of CLT. So in this video we have discussed meaning of CLT and we get knowledge of activities and advantages and disadvantages of CLT. So that's all for today. If you found it helpful, then do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.